How everybody, welcome back. We have a fantastic video lined up for you. Today we're going to be visiting one of the most popular tourist destinations in Taipei, known as Elephant Mountain or Xiangshan. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. Ever wonder where those epic shots at Taipei 101 at sunset come from? Spoiler alert, it's not some drone buzzing around on daddy's credit card. It's a hike, a stone-stepping pilgrimage tucked right into the city, hiding in plain sight. When you get to the end of the park that you see behind me, you need to go to your left. Most tourists stop too soon. They get the first photo and then miss the best views by not completing the loop. When you get to the top of the hill, you're going to go to your right and you're going to see the temple in the background. This is your landmark for your starting the beginning. So remember the name of the temple. As I mentioned, we're going to go up to the right, get to the peak. This is the most popular route. A lot of people go up here and just come right back down. We're going to continue, like I mentioned, all the way around and do the complete loop. It's about 1 hour from this point here. And just to the right of the entrance, you're going to see this little corner item. This is a restroom. All right, guys, this isn't just some highlight reel. It's the full trail from MRT to the last turn. No guesswork, just you, the path, and Taipei in all its glory. When you get to this first junction, you want to stay to your right. This will take you up the main passage to the top of the mountain. And yes, it's a lot of steps. Start with the red line using Google Maps. Ride it all the way to the end to Xiangshan Station. Exit 2, that's your move. From there, it's just a 10-minute walk, give or take. When you come up to the first lookout on your left, you want to continue up your right. Short trail, steep climb, think stairs, lots of stairs. The classic view, 15, maybe 20 minutes up. But if you bail there, you miss the good stuff. The loop winds through the forest, wraps the ridgeline, and drops you into a quieter, better view. No selfie sticks required. Let's keep going, guys. All right, right now at the second major lookout, this area is well known for its huge 6 rocks that you see here behind me. All right, make sure I don't fall, but if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, share with your friends. It really helps the channel out. Let's keep going, guys. To locals, it's more than a photo op. At sunrise or sunset, the place gets quiet, almost spiritual. Hikers, athletes, old-timers with stories, they all come here. You know, you're almost to the peak of Sunshine when you see the outdoor gym here. And if you come during the week, you're going to see a lot of older folks in really good shape that come here every day, climb this hill and work out. Don't try to keep up with them. There you go, guys. It's the pole that marks the peak of Sunshine Mountain. We made it. But now we're going to continue looping around. Let's go. All right, guys, we started over here at the MRT station. We worked through the park. We worked up the trail to the right. We're now here at the top of the mountain, and we're gonna go towards Yongchun Lookout. That's the part we need to do to loop back. That's where we're heading next, guys. On there, it's about a 10-minute walk. Up ahead is another popular outlook, taking a look at Taipei City. Let's go check it out. Follow the sign, we're continuing to Yongchungang Lookout. Top 3 rated hike in Taipei. TripAdvisor, Google, you take your pick. Over 1 million people climb it every year. But here's the kicker, most of them stop at the first 10%. The rest, that's where it actually gets good. Don't let those stairs stop you. Come past the rock with the step. This is where you want to loop around. It's a little confusing because when you come down the stairs, it's going to look like you want to continue out either to your left or right. But in actuality, you want to make like a U-turn. You're going to see a little outlook and you want to U-turn back. And you know you're going the right way because you're going to see this rock with the big lettering on it. And that's the way you want to go. So you want to see the full trail, no guesswork, no wrong turns? Then stick around. I'll walk you through the whole loop. Every viewpoint, every hidden turn the guidebooks forget. And then it's going to split again. You're going to stay to your left. The easiest way to know, there's going to be a sign here, and it's going to say MRT straight ahead. That's where you want to go. And again, you're going to be heading towards Yongchun Pavilion. That's the way you want to head out. The rest area, you want to continue directly to your left, across, following the path, and then you're going to come to the path on here. You want to stay to your right. You do not want to go to the photographer lookout. You want to go to Lingyang Temple. All right, Lingyang Temple, that's straight down this way. Let's go, guys. Hi, baby. All right, guys. We started here at MRT station. We came through the park, worked way up to the Lingyang Temple. We followed our steps up to Mount Xiangshan. Then we followed it around to Yongchungang Lookout. And then we went back towards Yongchun Pavilion. And then from there, back to Lingyang Temple. Glad you guys enjoyed the loop. Stick to it. We got just a couple minutes left. All right, guys, that brings us to the end of the Elephant Mountain Xiangshan hike. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Till next time, guys, 大家再见. See you all on the next video.